creating an aim line, and I'm going to show you the aim line on the next slide. They want kindergarten to increase by 17%. First grade to increase by 18%, and second grade to increase by 10%. So I'm going to show you how to create the aim line for your students. Okay, so just remember that kindergarten has to increase by 17% by AP3. So at AP1, they're at a certain percentage. By AP3, we want them to increase by 17 points. Okay, so go ahead. Okay, so this is first grade. The standard is 70%. We want all our students to be at 70% or higher. So that's our standard. Now let's say this first grade class, this first grade student class, AP1.
Excuse me, the standard for kindergarten is also 70?
Yes, it's 70%. It's 70 for all grades, yes. The standard is 70. Okay, so our aim line. At AP1, we scored a 50%. I'm going to add 50 plus, how many points they wanted kindergarten to increase? 17. So 50 plus 17 gives you what? 67. 67. That's kindergarten. So 67. So AP1, we're at 50. AP3, we should be at 67. So this is our goal. This is where we want to get to. This is our aim line. But this is what happened. This is the actual performance. This is what happened. AP1, we were at 50. AP2, we remained at 50. But then AP3, we took a dip. We were at 40. They declined big time.
And that's what we were talking about, because now they attention now to reading.
So now they're reading. So that's what happened. By AP3, they want the students to be reading, so they take that dip. Yeah.
I was trying to tell my reading perspective. She was trying to tell me higher expectations. I'm like, no, but in reality, realistically,
right.
They're expected to read now.
So that's why it's good to know by AP3 they want your students to read. So those sight words and just encouraging them to read and trying to get them to read is important, because it's going to look like you're not teaching or doing what you're supposed to do by AP3 because the students take a big dip. So this is the individual goal setting form that they want the students to, they want you all to complete for the students. I revamped this and made it look a little student friendly for my teachers. And what I did was I put this in the student journal. So every assessment period, we go and we record the scores in the student journal and have data chats with the students. So what goes here is whatever target passage, just K through 2. So whatever target passage they were doing at AP1 goes here. So for kindergarten, of course, it would be listening comprehension for AP1. Well, not in that baby case, because you say your baby was reading at, it's reading at a 1.5. Your grandson. Yeah. So wherever that student was at AP1 goes here as far as target passage, AP2 and AP3. The PRS score will go here, and remember it says plus 17 for kindergarten. So when we creating our goals, we want to write where we want them to be. Ongoing progress monitoring, we want to ORF the students often, and that score will go here, AP1, 2, and 3, and the same thing for the high frequency words. Okay. Differentiated instruction. What I want everybody to do